All right, let's try this again. So, um, basically, I've gotten a little bit into streaming for the past couple days. It's kind of been interesting to me. Fuck, I'm not really good at it. I haven't had anybody watch my shit, and that's it, basically. But while I was doing it, I was looking into things, and everybody's like talking about, oh yeah, you gotta upload clips to YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. And I was like, oh, okay, that's interesting. Keep doing it, get cycles, get people hitting on your videos, stuff like that. Fine, I get it. And for some reason, um, it didn't interest me as much as certain things because once I looked into it, there's a bunch of these like apps or websites or whatever that go in, offer you that function to like take your streams and they find clips for you basically and clip it, and then that's that. They upload it, or or they just give you the raw files and you upload it. But every one I looked at was like, oh yeah, free version, or you get this many credits or whatever, and then you go to do it, and it ultimately they just end up trying to make you pay for everything. And so that kind of like annoyed me. I didn't really do any more deep diving into it after that. Like I didn't go to GitHub or, look for other programs that that do it for free. I really didn't. I just thought it would be more interesting to kind of like use ChatGPT and basically Google Gemini and uh, learn a little bit about Python and start diving into Python and stuff like that. And so that's what I did. And while I was doing it, I started kind of getting into it. And essentially, I ended up with something here. I've been working on it past 2 days, probably something that somebody can whip up in like 15 minutes, but working on it for the past 2 days. And here it is. It's called ColonClipper. So basically, right now, what you can do is you can have it so it like so you put your entire stream in select video, right? And then obviously you select your output folder where you want your clips to go. And then after that, we have the option between 15 seconds and 60-second clips, what you want or whatever. And then we have sound detection in it. So basically, it'll listen for loud moments or loud voices, screams, laughs, whatever, the best it can, and clip. Basically, it will put exactly where that moment was, that loud laugh in the center of your clip, and generate it. And you can have it so it's low, medium, high, whatever. And then you can have it completely turned off. Then also it'll pick up on your voice, so you can say clip that, save that, clip it. That was a clip, whatever. I'll have more of a bar later that lets you know what your commands could be. We can also change it later, and then the option to format those clips afterwards um, for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Like basically the reels. I think it's like a 9 by 16, something like that. I forgot what it was. 9 by 12. I don't know, but it'll do that too. And so right now, I was thinking I was gonna play Match Counter Strike right now on like while I'm recording this, and then throw that match in here and get my clips. I While looking at this, I realized I need to set it up to make it so that there's only a max amount. Like you can choose like basically how many clips you want from your video, 1 through 10, 1 through 50, or just a set number. So that's I think the next iteration I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set it up so that you can be like, oh, I want 5 clips. This is all local, so everything's on your computers, no cloud, no nothing like that. It's all gonna be basically what you got in your system. Me, I have a 7800 X3D with a 7900 XTX. I have 32 gigs of RAM. I think I have like 4 terabytes of storage. I don't know what I have. I'm gonna try to adapt it better so that it runs uh, well on AMD hardware because that's what I have. But I'm gonna try to set it up so you can use CUDA as well. It's all done through Python. There's Whisper in there, a little AI. That's to pick up on your voice commands, stuff like that. Uh, so yeah, maybe maybe I'm gonna run a match of Counter Strike right now and play. and then say clip that and see if it works, or maybe I'll even uh just stop this video now because I'm sure I said clip that like 5 times, 6 times so far now, and yeah, see if it works. So thank you.